Basikhaya umoya bafethu masibe ekhayani lo moya nali lumuva. It's very smart njani ke la. Very smart. Yeah, alright. Yeah, bafethu sit down la nayo bafethu. This is the steak spread town. Yes. Lapha nakuse village. Anifunda ngale mawukhupha ngalandlela lapho hamba khona umuntu leya. Anifunda ngale guys. Bamanje nijikile shinjile ngapha. And then yona itown yakhona le bafethu ibinto kena ke engaphathize but yona itown yala. Sesetown ke bafethu mase sifikile. This is the town area. But ke angazi bebechisani lana. Angazi tanochise town. But ke asikho lapho. Setown bafethu la. Lena is a strong board ne Tele Bridge that side. Mawubuye Joburg, ubuye ngela side leya. Sifike itown guys. Neniyazi town la FNB la. FNB lana. Nah, iboxer lapha, iboxer lana ke ziningi guys. Khona iboxer lana ezu2. Kanti mele bakhiphe iboxer e1 bafake at least shop. Hayi shop ayithini bakabana, bafake checkers, and pay. Bakhiphe e1, or bakhiphe bafake root. Yeah, bafake root. Yebo lonto yana. Bafake root. So, le hard work guys lapha. So, you see guys, Lena, I caught that complicated, but abantu abaningi abaqaka like abadida. So yiyo ke. Always fazana bashayela itekisi.